Hello everyone. Today we will do a quick check-in as the Lionsgate portal has opened up. It opened up on the 28th of July and was strongest on the 8th of August, but it has opened up a lot of energies and a lot of avenues for us. So I'll do a quick check-in as to what all the signs are going through or bringing in for themselves during this time. Also, as Mercury retrograde is also going on along with the Lionsgate opening up, because it's the Leo season. So there is a contradictory energy in all of us where there is a fire we want to light inside and outside, and get into that fiery, feisty, driven energy to something, make it count for us. But then Mercury retrograde is slowing us down, wanting us to do a lot of introspection, healing, and addressing of our issues and making improvements. So I think we should maintain a balance and move forward. So let's see what each sign is opening up for themselves during this time. Let's dive in. Firstly, we have Aries, and Aries is coming up with the Six of Pentacles energy, which means that they are definitely bringing in some balance in their life right now. At least they are wanting to, and they definitely would do that during this time. But it's also saying that if you are not doing that, the advice is to focus on bringing that energy into your life. And at this time, it is very important, as saying that you guys are going to be manifesting a lot of things which you have been wanting in the past, and it's saying that you will be able to manifest a lot of things during this time. So as we all know, that Lionsgate portal, when it opens up, it's a very good time to manifest. And of course, Mercury retrograde is a time to definitely a time to meditate on your manifestations. So it's saying that do that, and Aries, you will be able to get a lot in your life, and definitely a time for introspection, retrospection, meditation, and healing for you guys, Aries. Of course, as far as love is concerned, a soulmate energy has already entered your life or is going to enter your life. So you are manifesting that as well, Aries, which is a very beautiful energy to come in. Lot of clarity and truth also showing up for you guys during this time. So which means that if you have been in the dark for a while, where you have been wanting certain answers in life, you definitely are going to get that during this time, Aries. Now let's move on to Taurus. What is Taurus going to be presented with during this time is the Five of Cups, which means there would be a bit of regret, a bit of disappointment in the situation that you're facing right now. Whatever has been brought in front of you, it means that you are going to also be doing a lot of introspection, and probably what you went through is going to make you feel a bit disappointed in the situation or yourself. It could be somebody else also, but from what I can sense, that it is going to be disappointment in the situation or yourself which you have been facing or have faced in the past. But also is showing, Taurus, that you are going to be moving forward and taking out solutions, or creating new situations for yourself, so that you can get out of this disappointing scenario. It's saying there would be a light bulb moment where you would realize what you need to do. You will understand that there's a lot of other ways and avenues to work through things and maneuver whatever you're facing, and you will see the light at the end of the tunnel. Of course, you guys are coming, you guys are emperors any which ways. It's a Taurus Aries energy, so Taurians is showing that you guys will come into power. You guys are powerful even right now. In fact, you will come into more power in future, and there is a lot of forward movement where things seem stuck right now. Very soon you will see that you are finding ways to overcome the difficulties you are facing right now, which seems like that you are stuck in a certain situation which is bringing you down. As far as your strength goes, you're losing it. It's the advice is that please don't do that. Hold on, things are going to improve, and of course the emperor is definitely showing up with an empress, which means that soon either you guys are going to meet your divine counterpart, or you guys already have the divine counterpart in your life, and there is forward movement showing in that direction as well, which means that you guys may take your relationship to the next level. So moving on to Gemini. Okay, so Gemini has come up with the energy of Ace of Cups, which means that Geminis are doing a lot of self love, and of course, they are manifesting true love for themselves as well. So it means that when it comes to love, there is no bigger love than self love. So that is definitely what is on Gemini's minds, but they also want to bring in their true love, one love that they are waiting for. Of course, Geminis, you guys seem to be very independent, very solo energies. You guys are thriving in your life. So whatever you are doing at work, it seems to be going very well. You guys are flourishing. So it's a very good energy to see you guys are definitely moving towards some sort of victory at work. Okay, work finances look really good. There is some sort of a good news, good communication coming through for you guys. As far as work is concerned, definitely good communication coming in, and you will be very happy with the outcome. If you have been putting in work energy into something, outcome is going to be really good. You will see victory, success at the end of it. As far as your health is concerned, please do take care, showing that there could be a bit of a drop there. Nevertheless, you will still feel better by the end of this month, and physically, that is medically, health wise. But it's also showing that there is going to be an entry of a King of Pentacles, which is an idol energy, idol partners energy. So it means that what you are manifesting in your independent solo energy is a partner, is a husband, is a soulmate, and there is a chance of somebody entering your life who will come with that energy towards you. Now we move on to Cancer. Cancer is showing up with the energy of Three of Cups, which means that they are going to be enjoying, celebrating. Of course, it's their birthday season, so they are going to be celebrating their birthdays as well. And other things, of course, is showing that they are coming in with a lot of fire in them. They are wanting to move on towards their goals and really nail it. So definitely showing that they are coming into more money. Cancer, you guys are going to come into more money, and oh, I'm sorry. It's not Cancer season, it's Leo season. So, of course, Cancerians are not going to be celebrating. Of course, it's Leo, but Cancerians seem to be celebrating something as well. And Cancerians, you guys are going to come into a lot of money. Is showing you are going to feel very grounded during this season, and quite fired up to do something better also. And as far as certain burdens that you are carrying, showing that the burdens are related to your work and finances, showing that you guys will be able to release that. So the advice would be to relax and go with the flow and see where it takes you, because it's showing that you guys will find peace and justice at the end of it. So if there are things which have been unjust, which has had you stressed for a while, is showing that you guys are going to be able to make headway in that situation, and you definitely would be finding a solution to the issue. As far as love is concerned, you guys are showing up to be having some sort of good luck in it, which means that you already have some solid situation going on, which is going to be going to get more solid in coming future. And you guys are definitely surrounded by good friends, and some sort of cycle change is also coming through for you guys Cancerians, which is definitely going to be uh, they're definitely going to be life changing. Yes. So now let's move on to Leos. So, what Leos are bringing in for themselves, the energy that is presenting in front of Leos for the season are the Seven of Wands and the Hermit. So, it means that Leos are a bit under the Mercury retrograde energies, influence of Mercury retrograde, which means that they are a little scattered in scattered energies right now, confused. But this is part of Mercury retrograde. It does bring in this kind of energy, and the Hermit energy, where you are withdrawn because you are trying to do a lot of introspection, self-analysis, and work on yourself. It's showing that by the time this energy subsides, you guys are going to come into very, very fiery, feisty energy where you would want to charge ahead and do something for yourselves. It's also showing that you are going to definitely shed this energy and come into very fresh, new, very excited energies, and definitely would move forward with aplomb, and definitely let go of the past burdens. It's also saying that you may be faced with a decision to make, but it's saying that just listen to your intuition and you will know what to do, what decision to take. It's definitely, it definitely could be a choice or options presented in love or at work, but it's what I can see is most probably it will come in love. Okay, and that is where you guys would be a little confused, nevertheless, as you people are showing up in Empress energy, though it's a feminine energy. But as we know that in tarot, the gender is fluid, so it means that you guys are tapping into your feminine side right now more. But definitely it's your season, Leos. Your birthdays are coming in. They've already gone. Probably some of you have already had them. So please enjoy your birthday season, because this is when you are most in your elements. And if you tap into your energy, you can do very well. So happy birthday, Leos, and have fun. It's showing that you guys will be able to release a lot of stress and tension by the end of the season. Now, what do we have for Virgo? So, Virgos, you guys are definitely in Zen mode, Zen state is what I see. So, definitely, you guys are in a very spiritual zone. You guys are meditating, also looking within, having a lot of epiphanies. As we know that High Priestess is the Virgo Pisces card. It means that you guys are in your elements as well. So that way you guys are making a lot of headway, a lot of progress. Spiritually, you guys are definitely leveling up. As far as manifestations are concerned, you guys definitely are manifesting very, very good things in your life. You guys will be presented with options as well in love, but there is an Emperor coming through, which means that you guys will also probably meet your partner very soon, or if you guys already are with somebody, is showing that your connection, your bond will strengthen during this time. Of course, it is also bringing in a bit of an energy of missed opportunities, or um, monotony in your present situation. You guys are a little bored in the situation you are in. Never mind, it's going to pass very soon. By the end of the season, this month, you will see a lot of movement, and you guys will be back to your driven, passionate, ambitious state again, Virgo. So don't worry, it's going to pass, and it's showing that a lot of your hard work is going to come to fruition very soon. So that's very good for you, Virgos. Let's move on to Libra. Okay, Libras, you guys are coming up with a very, very feisty, fiery energy. It's the Queen of Wands, so everybody is going to be very, very attracted to you at this point of time. You guys are going to be gathering a lot of eyeballs, so a lot of attention, male attention more so, male, female. I'm sorry, for men, you guys are going to gather a lot of female attention. For females, women, you guys are going to gather a lot of male attention. Of course, it's showing that you guys can have some passionate times moving forward, and fun, adventurous times coming for you guys. Definitely, family time is good. Happy family dynamics is showing up for you people at this time, but definitely a lot of fun, excitement coming your way as far as love is concerned, romance is concerned. There is some sort of an excitement coming through for you, which is going to be something that you have been waiting for a long time. Of course, you guys can also be walking away from one situation and moving into another, but it's also showing that you people are going to be reminiscing about a lot of things from the past. Of course, past energies coming in, also showing up for you guys. This is the first sign which got this energy. As we know, Mercury retrograde does bring back the exes, or we start feeling that pull towards people from the past we've had connections with. So as far as you are concerned, Libra is showing that you guys may be encountering a few blasts from the past connections. So yeah, but nothing to worry about. It's not showing it's going to be it's going to be too devastating. No, it's coming in with good energies, and people who would want to offer something to you again from the past. But I do think, Librans, you will let it pass, let it go. So yes, it's saying that be patient, because better things are coming your way, Libras. You definitely will be having some sort of leveling up as well spiritually, but alongside some exciting times coming for you. Next, we have Scorpios. Okay, Scorpios, what we have coming in for you is the Emperor. So, which means that you guys are coming into power. Before, I can see that in the past you guys were struggling with yourself, your finances, your work. You were not very sure where you are going with it, but it's showing now that you people are becoming very, very focused on what you want. It's getting more and more clear to you that where you would like to proceed in future. So it's showing that there is going to be good times coming in for you, fruitful times coming in for you, something positive, some sort of new energies showing up as well, Scorpios, which mean you guys can get some sort of an offer as far as work is concerned. So it is a good energy, but it's also coming up with a little bit of a heartbreak energy, which means that you guys during this time may feel a bit heartbroken, hurt, maybe because of the past energies coming back, some past energy memory being triggered because of obviously the time we are going through, the Mercury retrograde. But it's also saying that some situation at work not working out is giving you that kind of pain. Nevertheless, you are ready to move forward now with new things and newer avenues opening up for you guys, which is very good. You guys will be able to let go, release a lot of stress, and move forward with uh, flair. It's good energies, don't worry, Scorpios, good things coming in. It's showing that friends will also help, and some sort of collaboration is also going to come in, which would be very fruitful as well for you guys. I'm sorry, Scorpios, no love showing up for you right now, which means that you guys should be focusing on work at the moment. Now we have Sagittarius. What is showing up for Sagittarius, guys? Let's see. Sagittarius is coming out with the energy of justice, which means that a lot of balance is coming through as far as Sagittarians are concerned, or it's asking you to bring in balance in your life. Is showing that you guys are a little you guys are a little confused between certain people. It shows that in love you guys may have options and you are confused as to who to choose. So soulmate energy is also showing up, Sagittarius, which means that you guys were hurt by this particular person, or it is possible that they've suddenly come in now because of the Mercury retrograde, which brings in this kind of energy of past coming back. So that is where I think the dilemma lies, and you guys are trying to figure out if you guys want to get back with this person. But it seems like you guys probably would give it a shot, because this person is coming in with good energies. Definitely be a little careful, because it's showing a bit of toxic energies, which would also come back with coming back of this person. Please make sure that the obstacles or the issues that were there earlier, because of which you guys did not move forward in the relationship, it should not be back, because it's going to create another cycle of misery for you guys. Sagittarius definitely showing that you guys are ending life cycle and moving on to new. And definitely I say definitely not, sorry. So it's also saying that you guys are leveling up at work wise. You guys are doing very well, Sagittarius. You guys are taking up new things and rocking it, doing very well. You're leveling up, but it's also showing leveling up spiritually. Some sort of ascension happening within. So please recognize the red flags where it's required and put a stop to it as soon as possible. Though a soulmate energy is showing up, which is going to bring in some happiness right now. Now we move on to Capricorn. What do Capricorn have in store for them in this season? Okay, Capricorns, be a little careful as far as finances are concerned. It's showing that you guys may be going through a bit of a ditch right now as far as finances are concerned. So please conserve your resources and money. It's showing be careful about how you are spending your money, but it could also mean that you guys are feeling a little left out in the cold by certain people, abandoned by certain people, or feeling like you've been betrayed in some ways. Nevertheless, there is a feeling of melancholy and loneliness and solitude in you guys, Capricorns, but it's showing that is also bringing you into your own elements and power, where you guys are going to start feeling very powerful, strong, and are actually on the right track as far as you guys, your evolving is concerned, because you guys are evolving a lot during this time, as there is a lot of leveling up happening. Of course, it's also showing that whatever you've been waiting for some sort of love offer is also coming through, which is going to be making you guys very happy as well. It's going to be exciting, fun. I'm not very sure if you're going to continue with it for in the longer run for a very long time. Nevertheless, the person coming through is going to be very attractive, very happening, very fun. So at least for the timing, you guys will have fun, though still staying in very independent solo energies. You don't want to give up on that. So anyway, a lot of good communication, happy communication showing up. You guys will come into money very soon. If you are feeling the lack right now, it is coming through, so no need to worry. Just take care of your finances. And as far as loneliness is concerned, that is also showing that loneliness will be broken by somebody exciting coming in. Now we have Aquarius, guys. What do Aquarius have facing? What do Aquarius have coming for them during the season? Okay, so Aquarians, you guys are going through some sort of a painful energy, something unexpected happened. Nevertheless, you guys are trying to overcome it. Is showing that you guys are not happy about being lonely or on your own at this time, but that is showing somebody coming through from the past. Again, somebody from the past coming in, and that could bring in some sort of an exciting energy for you guys right now, Aquarius. That again may not be long lasting, as we know that something which comes back from the past during Mercury retrograde may not be a long lasting energy. Nevertheless, it's a soulmate energy, so you will never know. We will see in the next read how it's proceeding, how it's going. Nonetheless, Aquarians, you guys are going to be breaking a monotony in your life, some sort of a pattern you guys are breaking and moving forward, which is becoming a little painful, but you guys are still enjoying the process. And while enjoying the process, you are breaking a very toxic pattern in your life, which is great. You guys are also ascending. Some sort of divine justice is going to happen, Aquarius. So lovely. Please to keep working on yourself. It is showing that you guys are definitely going to be getting a lot of success in the near future. And also the right partner who you are manifesting, this particular person coming in may not be the one you are looking for. This person is bringing in excitement and fun too for the timing, but you guys are definitely manifesting the one who's going to come in future for you. So with the divine justice also coming through, so please work on it, and you will see that work on yourself is what I meant, and you will see that you're manifesting everything that you want. And now, last but not the least, we move on to Pisces. What do we have for Pisces? Okay, Pisces is bringing in the energy of money for yourselves. Pisces, you guys are definitely manifesting money and abundance, prosperity, and that is what you guys are bringing in. You guys are also showing up in the energy of High Priestess. No wonder, because it's a Pisces Virgo energy. You guys definitely are doing very well in whatever you do. You guys are establishing more and more yourself more and more in what you do very well. It could be something related to the occult sciences or spirituality, whatever you guys do, like tarot and other things like astrology, other forms of astrology. Anyway, other than that, some creative or art form that you pursue definitely is showing success in it. You guys are establishing yourself more, progressing more. Of course, it's showing some person from the past is coming in for you guys right now, which would be a bit of a disturbing energy. So beware, do not give into it too much, because it's showing that it's just going to bring in some trouble for you guys. So no need to pay heed, I would say, but it's making you guys happy, so you never know. Anyway, it's showing that definitely there is going to be some sort of a justice that is going to prevail. So no worries, Pisces, you guys are doing very well. You guys would be spoiled for options as far as love is concerned, romance is concerned. There's a lot of exciting energies coming through, but it seems that you're not interested. You're more focused on work and making things work for you. You are going to be releasing a lot of pain. If there was any sort of physical ailment you're going to be releasing it very soon. If mental trauma you were going through, you're going to be releasing that soon. And you are coming into magician energies, so you will be manifesting a lot of things you want. Definitely a very, very solid energy showing up in your energies. Pisces, the King of Pentacles, which means that you guys are also manifesting the love of your life, the ideal partner, a partner for life. So yeah, there is a possibility some of you do get married, Pisces. So this was it for today, guys. I'll see you next time. Till then, please take care. God bless. And Leos, happy birthday once again. Please enjoy your season. Have fun. Bye bye. Take care.